So this is Asda's Firework leaflet for this year. Let's see what they've got. So that's a new fountain. Don't know much what's new this year, like, as don't remember last year's leaflet. I've had that one before, Screaming Demons. It's just a missile cake. The power shots are not supposed to be up too bad. Wouldn't recommend TNT. I've had the similar pack to that one. Little pop and rockets again. Perfect little fireworks for a small little garden. If someone doesn't know much really about fireworks, then I would go in. I'd probably get some like that pack, for instance. So you get a variety of rockets, double whammy shot tubes. They're supposed to be quite good. Power storm, supposed to be an alright little. Okay, and get the Mega Blast selection box, which has got your variety of different, like your fountains, your tubes, your rockets, and stuff like that. I wouldn't waste any money on these big stuff. Like £70 and that for like cake, for a compound. Not bad, £70 for 3-way compound. But if let's get something like this, advise you all to go to Lidl. They've got the Weco Fireworks, good little brand. I'll get yourselves to the range for Bright Star. Bright Star's a right little brand as well. They do the Warhawk rockets, which is I always say for the pound for pound rockets. If I was going to go anywhere like this, I'd go for like the 2 for 10, for instance. So I'd get a Daffodil selection box and pack of rockets, or 2 selection boxes. You know, it's like a time killer. I wouldn't go nothing big in here. I think this year, if I was going to grab anything, I'd probably grab that unicorn, like, see what it's like. It's funny. But yeah, there's your Asda leaflet 2018.